Hey, how you doing? Um, for this concept, I put these type of stairs to get upstairs. But I was thinking, is there a way I could make like stair stuff, like one stairs that would I'll make an example that these both units can go upstairs with one stairs connecting these two, and then maybe I like a gate to separate the two units. I'll make you an example. Let me make an example. Yes. So this is a picture I made. So either you enter here or you enter this way. But yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work because there's a separation here. So I don't know. 'Cause I don't know the square leaf stairs. I don't know if that's going to work. Only if I could get a big one. But the space is limited. So let me know what you think. Let me leave you brainstorm it. Um, Is it possible I could just put a normal stairs going up and then come across, also up, come across, versus a swirl? Because the swirl could be kind of tight for some persons that they want to rent it to. Another question is the layout of the bedrooms. Is it good, or do you think it's too cramped, or what do you think? Let me know.